Guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. And I hope you all are doing well, and I am also doing well. And as usual, today also I am on continuous on my English spoken journey and 100 days spoken English vlog without any skip. And today the 14th day of my that particular challenge. And today I want to give a message to you all who really want to gain mastery in spoken English. So, self confidence. Without self confidence, you are not able to present yourself in the front of someone, and you are feeling fearful or judgment, if I'm do any mistake, then how people's reacting on me. And one more thing, confidence not happen. It's if we want to do self confidence, then we need to do some activity in order to create it. It's not happening automatically. So if you want to increase our self confidence, then we need to make or relate or affirm some positive stories in our surrounding, and we need to ignore our negative thoughts. Just we need to work on positive things, then we are able to increase our self confidence. And with the self confidence we are able to present ourselves in any situation, and we are able to give our 100%. What are the circumstances come in front of us, we are able to deal any situation very wisely. So, and it's helping too much towards spoken English journey, because there are so many peoples they are struggling to put their thought or knowledge in the front of someone, because they are not having self confidence. They are just making them negatively or imagine, yeah, and making thoughts for self negative thought, making negative thoughts for ourselves. So we are not able to represent ourselves in the front of someone only because of self confidence. So self confidence is the key in order to spoken English journey. And mm, if we have self confidence, then it's not matter like I am able to deliver whole knowledge, exact knowledge in the front of someone. Yeah, we are, if we are practicing anything with self confidence on continuous manner, then definitely we are going to gain some mastery or confidence or fluency on it. It's if we are really eager to do something big, then it's going to take some time. It's not going to complete in very few amount of time. And if we talk about English spoken journey, it's a big journey where no one is able to sounds like a perfect English speaker. Everyone is a learner. So consider it like you are also a learner. If you are going to do some mistake, then these mistakes are also part of journey. And have some positive thoughts or like some affirmation, like I am best, success is certain for me, I am focused, and my mind is very healthy. So you are able to there are so many people, so they are just focusing on negative thoughts. That's why they are facing so many negative situations. And if we just I'm not saying that you have to focus on only positive side, also need to focus on negative side also if there are any situations occurs accordingly. But most of them, like we need to motivate ourselves with some positive thoughts, then we are able to do some extraordinary. Otherwise we are struggling to represent ourselves and we are not able to deliver any speech or knowledge in the front of someone with accuracy and fluency. So to gain fluency we must need to have self confidence. Without self confidence we are not able to sound like a fluent speaker or master over anything. So that's it for today, and I hope you all are doing well, and you all are able to learn something from my daily blogs. And if these blogs is not able to add anything in your life or perspective, so please let me know over comment, and also subscribe to the channel, and friend share with your friends and family. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey. Goodbye, take care.